Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. The other day I did a video on this exact same thing, but I'm going to do it a different way. The other way it was a little more difficult. So we're going to take these two nodes and we're going to right click and we're going to break them apart. Take these two nodes, right click and break them apart. And then we can take our virtual segment delete key and delete that little line. And it will not affect the other line. Now, somebody actually asked me a question. Could you not join them another way? And yes, you could. You couldn't do them all four at one time, but you could do these two and then go up to Windows, Dockers, join curves. Now this is a little more than 2 inches. So I've set my nudge factor on, or my gap tolerance on 2.5. And then you could do that one. You could hold down the shift key and grab that one and join. Well, why did it not keep that other one in play? There you go. So it's a little bit off because one of these was round, but you could very easily, because they're joined now, you could actually right click and turn this into a, well, we'll just leave it like that and move this one handle out a little bit and make a perfect, then you could do this and bring it out a little bit easier than the way I did it the other day. And then of course I would always take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in, and then that will definitely join all those groups together, and then you can make it black and do whatever you want to with it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.